She's looking a little oompa loompa, sis, but we're gonna get through it.
Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know who I am, I just said it. It's Isabel Bedoya. In today's video, I have Isabel Bedoya's makeup artist, aka Alex.
EEXLA on Instagram.
We're gonna leave it right here for you guys. You guys can go ahead, follow him, check out the work that we have done together.
She's like my muse.
He's like my makeup artist, like real life, the only one that really does my face. And nobody knows my face more than this guy right here, literally. We created this look using all Shein products. You guys know it's super affordable. If you guys do end up liking any of the products that we used for this look, you guys could go ahead and click the link in my description box and make sure to use my code right here to save extra money on top. We got you, sis. Save that coin. And towards the end, we talk about our favorite,
our likes, our dislikes.
Yeah, so we're gonna also tell you what we don't like. We're actually pretty honest about the whole...
I almost felt too honest, but then
too honest. I was like, that's the point.
Yeah. You know, so.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm really shook. I'm shook. Are you shook? Because I'm shook. SHEGLAM?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah. They did that.
Because we always be using like the best of the best products.
Yeah, like known products.
So it's like, it was different to
Very
use
shocking.
something that I probably wouldn't like go to.
Let's get started.
Let's get to it.
Okay, so we're going to start off by using their Complexion Pro Long-Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. And this is in shade Cappuccino.
She's a little orange.
She's a little orange, but we're gonna make it work, right?
Yes.
Oh, by the way, this is how it comes in this really dope package. SHEGLAM Complexion Pro. And we're using that shade. That was right there. Okay, he's getting in my ears. Not clockable.
She's looking a little oompa loompa, sis, but we're gonna get through it.
Oh my god. It could also be that.
Y'all don't come for me. I didn't choose this shade. Because you would drag me if I did this in real life.
Oh, girl, of course. If he ever made me this orange voluntarily, cash me outside.
But you know what? This might make you look like a Caribbean, like, just got off of, like, Bali or something, you know?
Right. Because right now I feel like... you know those TikToks where they like imitate British girls and they do like that really orange makeup with like the really white under? Bro, that's really how I feel right now. Oh my god, I look like Trump.
Deadass.
Marica y mis cejas. Marica. Mira, you made them orange.
But the power of makeup, like, you're gonna just see how this transforms. You feel me?
No, that's a fact.
It has to get ugly before it gets pretty. But you know what? It makes your skin look really like porcelain.
Yeah.
It's just the shade's just really off.
I noticed that, huh?
It's a really nice finish though.
Yeah. Yeah, I like how it's setting on my face for sure.
I do see it creasing under your eye more than like another foundation would.
Yeah, because I'm always looking down.
Yeah. So this is the shade Coconut Flakes. This actually might work just for this look because it's so orange. You know me, I love a bright under eye, but
he lives for that.
We'll see how this goes.
This is gonna help tone it down a bit. The other day, I tried a concealer from Urban Decay. Girl, okay, formula, great. Like, not great, but like...
Did she oxidize on you?
No, she made me tear. Like, tear on both eyes. Like, you know when you know it's the concealer? Because that's like the powder you just applied. Bitch, that shit had me like tearing up. And then I blended it and I put some other concealer from another brand. And then I was like, you know what? Let me give it another try. Girl, and I did it again. I was like, okay, it's the formula.
Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out with a brush because I usually use a brush when I blend out concealer. I'm not mad at the coverage, but I mean, probably have to put it twice. How does it feel? Does it feel heavy?
No, it actually doesn't. And the same thing with the foundation. Even with the foundation.
I actually really like the finish of the foundation.
Right? It's like airbrushy.
Yeah. But then again, I feel too like your skin is so good that like almost every foundation looks really good on you.
You know a foundation is not good
if
it looks bad on me.
Literally.
But you
I
know
feel like we can use like a 99-cent store foundation and your skin's gonna just make it look pretty.
You think so?
I think so, for sure. So everything's pretty much blended out for the most part. She's looking a little more neutralized.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let the face kind of like absorb the products a little bit, and we're gonna talk about the foundation, right?
Yeah. Initially, it was like too orange, but I feel like when you put concealer, it really like neutralized it out. And I think it leaves a really nice finish to the skin.
Yeah.
The concealer, I mean, the shade range should be a little bit more, but I don't know if they have more, you know? But I feel like with the foundation, it works.
I do notice a little bit of creasing in the under eye quicker than other products that I've used.
Because whenever I do her makeup too, I always put foundation under the eye and concealer because she likes obviously that more extra coverage. So it's not like something we don't always do.
Yeah. So that's kind of like the only thing because it's not really setting into my skin like that. Like it's pretty airbrushy. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is the creasing on the under eye. I hate that because I move a lot. And so it's like you gotta really set it fast. Okay, and then wait, what? Oh, okay, yeah. So let me, is this the one you used? Bitch, we have to, oh, the brush. Because I'm so creased up right now. Before you set it. Okay, so we're about to use, let me see. Let me see the thing.
Oh.
No, do it. Okay, now we're gonna set it with her setting powder.
She's creasy, girl.
Right? She creases a lot. She's a quicker creaser. Okay, so now the SHEGLAM powder, baked glow setting powder. Glow? Does it leave a sheen?
Yeah, it definitely has some glow in it. Some like shimmer, some like reflex.
Okay. Well, if you guys have texture skin and you guys like that matte look, I don't suggest the powder. Let's see how it looks. I do an ugly ass face when he does this because he puts that shit in my eye. And y'all know I be wearing contacts.
You actually can't really see the shimmer when you apply it to the face, so that's good. So whatever left on the brush, I'm gonna just kind of tap on the foundation just to kind of like set it a little more.
One thing I will say about the powder, after I'm set, I like to like kind of just see it. And this one is a little bit, I don't want to say sticky because it's not sticky, but it's like, it doesn't feel completely set.
Yeah, and it also doesn't really, like the powders I usually use, it always gives like an extra layer of coverage. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And this really doesn't do that for you. It's very, very sheer. Like very sheer. Like I guess it just doesn't give me the coverage like that I'm expecting from a translucent powder. And that could maybe also too because of the reflectives that it has in there, like little shimmers, you know?
Which again looks great if you're doing like a lighter makeup.
Look, yeah.
Yeah.
Like this powder is very like glam and go, like in the car, like just a little touch up, you know?
Yeah, like you could add that on top of like a tinted moisturizer and that would look so freaking good.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this Artistry palette.
So pretty. I love how it reflects like that. Oh, take out the plastic? Yeah.
Oh. Excuse me. So yeah, this palette's definitely up our alley. We always do like sultry, like bronzy glam, so this is definitely something we can work with. Yeah.
Oh, I just nailed one of the colors.
Okay, so for this shadow, it's actually blending out really nice. I'm not mad about it at all.
Yeah, that looks really cute.
So far, I just used the same shade. I'm just like blowing it out. She loves her shadow to be really like winged out, so I'm just blowing it out.
My teeth look so white. I'm like, did I get them too white?
Also, what I noticed about this foundation, going back to foundation, like sometimes I have a habit of like touching here, and it's kind of like transfer proof. It's not like getting on my fingers. So.
Ooh, that's always good. I love that. This is pretty.
I'm gonna use this shade here just to like put on her lid to like highlight a little bit. And this look literally took like 5 minutes to do both eyes. She's ready.
Okay, so off camera, we used the liner, the dual-sided liner. Where is it at? So it's an eyeliner here, and it's a liquid liner here. But my stupid ass only opened this, so I was like, it's a brow thing. And I deadass just used it on my brows, and to come to find out that it's a liner. I was like, it's so creamy and dark. But I mean, it don't look bad at all. I really like it. And then the liner, I used it. I'm gonna see how it performed under my eyes while we get this done.
So we're gonna go with the lips. We're gonna do this shade here. Do they have names?
Do they?
Millionaire. Period.
Ooh, okay. These are cute. It's like a cool pink, like a really cool down pink. Okay, so now the lips are lined. Does it say if it's a matte or a satin?
It says velvet matte.
Ooh.
So maybe like a soft.
Ooh.
It almost looks like your lip color already.
Right? I really like it. I really like
that lip color
the
is
lip.
fire.
Ooh, okay. I love the formula. It feels so good on the lips. Very
looks
like
really
bouncy.
hydrating, too.
So if y'all are like, you guys have dry lips, this will favor you because it's not drying matte, but it's like, it's matte but like bouncy. Bounce. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the mascara. It's dual-sided. Love the brush. And then this side, ooh. Okay, so it's
She's
like,
curved.
yeah, length and volume. Too bad I have falsies. I should have tried this before. But we're still gonna apply some. I want to see how dark it is so it could like hide those like white areas of like setting powder or glue. I do notice it's like separating them in a good way. I already applied this side. I'm gonna apply this side on my under eyes. We're gonna try to get the look he likes. He likes this like very chunky under eye look. I personally don't like it.
But then she ends up liking it.
Yeah, low key. So the look is done. What's your favorite product?
I would say the shadows for sure. They
Really?
blend it out really nice. Yeah.
Okay.
And then second, like,
You wanna look
oh
at
yeah, the shadows. And then I would say probably the foundation second for sure. I just didn't really care about the range of it, but I mean,
It is what it is.
it is what it is.
Okay,
What about you?
My favorite has to be the lip, just because I have it on and I could feel it.
Yeah.
And it's matte. It's literally matte, but it doesn't feel drying.
Yeah.
I love that. It feels like airy. And believe it or not, the eyeliner. Like the liquid eyeliner.
Really?
I'm kind of
Okay.
living, yeah. I mean, it could transfer. You just never know, like, because I do the inner cat eye, so you never know when the eyeliner is going to transfer. So far, it's good. And I like how, like, it dried out really matte. You see that? I love that. There's no shine. There's nothing, like, you peep. I hate when it has a shine, but most of the ones I use have a shine, so I really like that. One more. I know we were doing two, but the foundation, I really like it. My skin just looks healthy.
It looks glowy.
It looks glowy,
Without
especially
even having glow.
right. I wonder how it'll do like without that setting powder.
Right.
It will still have this finish because I'm freaking living for it. Does that type of look like you go in the sun, all the attention is on you because your skin just looks healthy and radiant.
Yeah, even you could even do like the foundation with like a super heavy coverage concealer, and that would be like such a good balance, you know?
Yeah, no, that would be really cute. This is
Yeah.
really cute. This look came out amazing. If you guys want to try out Shein, make sure you use my discount code. I'm going to leave it in the description box. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.